Good morning. I'm going to do a video of this Wen 12-inch variable speed drill press. I got it off Amazon. I think it was like 230 bucks. Wen does make a $89, I think it's an 8 or 10-inch drill press, but it's not as good as this one. So I did shoot a video of me assembling it, but I accidentally erased it. It went together really easy, surprisingly easy. Kind of boned I deleted the video, but I'm gonna open her up. I haven't been up here yet. So, you know, most of you probably know how if you want to change the speed on your drill, you got to change the belts and put them on different series of pulleys. Kind of a pain in the ass. This has this new design that uses basically the same thing as a CV transmission, or the same kind of thing as a snowmobile clutch. It's really innovative, and I don't think anybody else does this. But instead of popping the belt off and moving the pulleys, there's just a handle. You just pull the handle, and they're just like, you know, like a snowmobile clutch or like a CV transmission. It's really innovative. I don't think anybody else has it. So you don't have to, you know, in the old normal ones, you have to again pop the belt off, pick what pulleys equal what speed, put it back together. This I just opened to show you. I've never even opened that. I wanted to see what it looked like though, but I knew how it worked. Digital readout. That's as slow as I could get it to go. There's the speed handle. Crank it and see how fast it'll go. Oh, it's humming. Almost 3 ripplings. Thing's running smooth as silk. No wobbling. Death stop. It's got the laser and a light. This did not come with it. I bought this separately. I don't plan on doing any milling with it, but it's just a nice clamp. It is kind of big, and I was having trouble finding a stand that worked for it. It was way too big for the bench. This was a little too low. Even this is a little too high. Yeah, pretty happy with it. It's got quite a few really nice features. Yep, the Wen 12-inch drill press. Been pretty happy with it. Picked up some accessories like sanding drum kits. It's like 12 bucks or something. Stuff like that. I'm not like a machinist or nothing, but everything around here is always rusty and crusty. So yeah, kind of sucks I deleted the video, but it assembled super easy. You just have to put a couple bolts in here. This comes on already. Screw on the table, drop on the head, and that's it. It was like 3 things only. Super easy. Thanks for watching.